Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing of affordable yet quality products online. This is Stephen and welcome to my channel. Today we will be unboxing this portable stove that I bought from Lazada. This one costs 180 pesos, but if you are lucky enough again to watch out for their sale, it could drop for as low as 140 pesos. You can search this with its product name, Portable Card Camping Type Gas Stove Burner. Upon unboxing, we have this container and inside it is our portable stove. And they also give user manual and safety instructions. With the given manual, later we will follow the instructions given so that it would be safe for us to use this product before operation, during operation, and after its operation. One of the safety tips listed here is that you should always check for leaks before lighting the stove. If you smell gas, hear hissing, or leaks are found, do not use the stove. And now let's check what this portable card camping type gas stove burner looks like. This portable stove weighs around 500 grams and is made up of mostly metals. This is called a card type gas stove burner because of its thin metal parts and thin brackets, where you can just flip it when you need it. To start its operation, we need to flip the legs outwards to act as a support for this portable stove. Then we need to make sure that it is placed on a firm and level surface, and always make sure that the area is well ventilated. After that, we turn the brackets or the pan support counterclockwise until they reach the edges or the corners of the stove. There you have it, and now we have set up the initial steps needed for our portable stove. Let's proceed with the next steps. Before we proceed with the injection of gas cartridge, make sure that the igniter is working. You can try several times to check. Then, see to it that the flame adjuster is fully closed. That is, by turning it clockwise until hand tight. And now this is the most crucial part where some fail to lock the canister properly that cause this portable stove to burn. So, watch and learn carefully. Observe that there is a space at the top portion of the canister. We will be using it later. And this long gas tank interface has two hooks, the top portion and the bottom portion. First thing that you need to do is to hook first the bottom portion and see to it that the top portion coincides the space provided in the canister for you to insert it properly. If you are not confident enough that they will match, you can adjust it in a better position. Force the canister forward until they match and level, then turn it clockwise to lock the gas cartridge. After you lock the canister, this is the time to check if you smell gas, hear a hissing sound, or leak. If there are, do not light the stove or press the igniter, or else it'll burn or you'll get burned. After checking, you can now open the flame adjuster by turning it counterclockwise only until you hear the hissing sound. Then press the ignition switch and a flame will appear. Turn the flame adjuster to your desired flame setting and you can now enjoy cooking. If you want to switch off the stove, just close the flame adjuster by turning it clockwise until hand tight. While I am still testing this portable stove, just listen to these safety tips. Always check the connection between the stove and the canister and ensure it is correctly assembled before operating the stove. Do not light or use indoors, in tent, vehicle, or other enclosed areas. Fire or carbon monoxide poisoning could cause injury or death. Do not obstruct the flow of combustion and ventilation air. Never put your head or body above the stove when lighting or burning. keep clothing and other materials that may catch fire away from the stove. Never disconnect the stove from the canister when the stove is lighting. If you accidentally leave the flame adjuster open, ventilate the area before lighting the stove. Do not place heavy or large capacity cookware on the stove. Maximum weight is 5 kilograms. Never leave a burning or hot stove unattended. Never allow children to use stoves. Always supervise children in the vicinity of the stove. Do not use the stove in any other way than is described in these instructions. Before taking the stove on a trip, check for fuel leaks. Practice using and maintaining it. And now for the last part. To disassemble the stove, make sure the flame adjuster is turned off by turning it clockwise until hand tight. Let the stove cool off. Release the canister by turning it counterclockwise, and in here some gas may escape while unscrewing it. And lastly, close the pot supports or legs. For more unboxing of affordable yet quality products online, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. This has been Stephen. Thank you, God bless, and have a nice day ahead.